Hi everyone, so we'll start off with the products I've used. This is my shampoo. It is from Tresemme, and then this is the conditioner, also from Tresemme and under the Botanic range. I also used my aloe vera gel. If you want to know how to make your own, please click on the link above on how I made my own. Then this is the Tangle Teaser that I used. This is the African Pride Heat Activated Hair Mask that I also used to deep condition my hair. That's the black castor oil I used on my hair by ORS. My moisturizer from Native Child. It's milk and honey. It's amazing on the hair. And then the avocado oil also from Native Child. All right, so we start the process with me undoing my twists. I had my hair up in twists for quite some time, but I have also neglected my hair, and the reason why I am doing a deep conditioning wash day is to replenish the moisture back onto my hair because it is stiff and dry. I'll first start by using my aloe vera gel as a pre-poo. You can decide to skip this part because I will also incorporate it in my shampoo, but given how dry my hair was, I really had to just ensure that it gets the moisture with any other opportunity I can give it. So there we go. That's the consistency of the aloe vera gel. It's quite thick. And then I'll just apply it on my hair. And as you can see, the hair immediately soaks up the moisture from the aloe vera gel. All right, so now I'm back. I had added shampoo on my hair, and so I'm just gonna scrub it along my scalp, throughout my scalp and on the hair strands, just to get that clean. Then I will add my aloe vera gel while my shampoo is there. The reason for this is to clarify my scalp and to also moisturize my hair in the process. Remember, this hair is extremely dry because I had neglected it. And this was around winter time in South Africa. So you can only imagine what the weather does or what the temperature does to the hair. And you can apply as much as you need, generously, and then scrub it onto your hair. Immediately as I was scrubbing this on my hair along with the shampoo, I could feel the difference. My hair started having amazing slip. The definition of my curls came back. The hair felt so moisturized. It became so much fun to rub the shampoo that I didn't want to stop. As you can see, the definition is back and some of the dry strands are coming off. So I just continue with that process and finger detangle as I go along and then wash my hair. Now this next step might not be necessary because I will use a moisturizing hair mask, but I'll do it anyway. Right, so as I've said, if you want to skip this process, you can go ahead and do so, but I'm just gonna put the Tresemme conditioner on my hair as well and then wash it off afterwards before putting on my heat activated mask. Another added plus of having moisturized hair is that when you put your conditioner on, it distributes seamlessly across a bigger range of hair than it would have done had your hair been extremely dry. So as you can see, it distributed so much easy around the crown of my hair. Look at that, it looks so juicy, guys. It felt amazing. The bounce is back on the hair. Man, it's as amazing as it looks. And then I'll just proceed with finger detangling in this process as well before I rinse the conditioner off. You would want to take your time when you can detangle your hair. You'd want to take your time when you detangle your hair to avoid any breakage. So just be patient with yourself, and yeah, you'll reap the rewards afterwards. Right, I've now washed off the conditioner. I'm going to put the heat activated mask onto my hair by African Pride. That is how it looks like. It looks like clay because it does have the Moroccan clay in it. And that is the texture of it as well. It's quite thick. So you'd want to lather this across your hair generously or as needed. Then I got distracted by finger detangling my hair. That was not the plan in this particular process, but we move.
Yeah. Hi.
Right, now I'll go in with the hooded dryer. I bought this at Clicks for 189 Rand, but that was a couple of years ago. But you'll find it at Clicks in South Africa. And then I also connect it to the hair dryer. Literally, it's the only time I use my hair dryer, when I have the the hooded dryer on. In this particular process, I forgot to show that I also used the black castor oil to mix it with my clay, my heated activated mask. And then I will just put on a plastic bag over my head to retain the heat. And afterwards, I'll go in with the hooded dryer. You'd want to make sure that you tucked in all your hair from the front and the back, and that nothing is showing, because you want the heat to be distributed across your entire head for every hair strand to be moisturized and nourished. Right, and there is my hairdryer hood. It comes in a pack like that has a drawstring. It's quite compact. It's big, but very compact. There's the nozzle that goes into the hairdryer. And that is the hood that covers your head. So you'd want to secure it with the drawstring, draw it as close as possible, and then you will clip it in with the clip-ins that are also on the sides. This is just to avoid the hairdryer hood from falling once the hot air is distributing inside of it. And you can just go ahead and secure it. There we have our hairdryer, and I will connect it to my hairdryer hood and leave it to run for a good 15 minutes. Now that I have finished doing my deep conditioning treatment, I will follow it up with the tangle teaser. My hair is now soft enough for me to detangle, and it has received the nourishment and the moisture that it needs. So I should not be able to break my strands when I detangle my hair. You also want to be very patient with this process as well, just to avoid breaking any hair strands unnecessarily. Okay, time to wash it off. I use an old t-shirt to dry my hair because a towel is quite strenuous to 4C hair strands or curly hair strands. So just to preserve that, and as you can see, the definition looks really good for my 4C hair. So I'll just continue drying my hair with my husband's old t-shirt. Okay, then I'll go in with my Milk and Honey moisturizer from Native Child. And you will apply as much moisturizer as you need. After which I will follow through with the avocado oil from Native Child. This is to seal in the moisture from my previous moisturizer onto my hair strands. Then I'll get started with my twists. In this particular stage, you can either choose to hair dry your hair or use one of the no heat hair stretch methods. In this instance, I twisted my hair, but you can also do threading or three-strand braids as well, just to stretch your hair out. So as I went along, I noticed a couple of split ends. So after each twist, I would cut the split ends with my hair scissors. Another thing to note is that your hair scissors should remain for your hair. If you are going to cut something other than your hair with it, it will damage your hair strands because it will become blunt. So just keep your hair scissors strictly for your hair. Right, as you can see over there, it looks nicely kept. There are no split ends, and that is it. I will now basically cover my hair and come back tomorrow morning to finish this off. These are my twists. So what I will do now is undo them and comb my hair as desired. But firstly, I need to apply the avocado oil onto the hair and on my fingers for some slippage, to allow for slippage to occur and not cause friction on my hair as I unplait it. You'll just comb your hair as desired. In my case, I just did a simple afro comb out. Yeah, I think that works. If you want to lay your edges, you can do that as well. I just went in with a brush for my edges and the nape of my hair at the back as well. And there we have it. That is my wash day routine incorporating aloe vera gel. And my hair is now nicely conditioned and moisturized. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.